Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to install update on your iPhone and iPad, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. This update cannot be installed because it required at least 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, so on i16. Then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply close this page, and after that what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to tap on general. Now from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it on, and from here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to manage your iPhone storage, because it's showing this type of error because you don't have enough storage in your iPhone. That's why it's not downloading and it's showing the error. So as you can see guys, it's showing here offload unused apps, so you have to enable this option. And after that what you need to do is just simply make sure that if your problem is fixed or not. Another more service here, then what you need to do is just simply open apps one by one like this, and from here you have to offload app, and then you have to reinstall the app. Again open one of the app, and then you have to offload the app, then you have to reinstall the app again. Okay guys, so you have to offload all apps, and then you have to reinstall all of these apps, because doing this your document data will be deleted and you will be able to free some space in your iPhone. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply delete some unused apps from your iPhone. And after that what you need to do is just simply close this page, and then you have to open photos and make sure that you have deleted recently deleted items from your iPhone and iPad. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it on, tap on general, again scroll it on, then you have to shut down, and then you have to shut down your device from here, and then you have to turn on again. And after that what you need to do is just simply try to install the update, and after installing update you have to restart your device. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.